What's up, here to Technical. I'm back again with another video. Today, as you can see, I have another case from Caseborne Armadillo Tech. Shout out to Carl. So Caseborne on YouTube a couple of days ago had a giveaway of a case for your iPhone 13 Pro Max, and all you had to do was like it and retweet it, and they picked a winner the other day, and luckily I was the winner. So they sent me over one of their cases for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm just gonna put that right there. Now this is what the case looks like for your iPhone 13 Pro Max. It looks real nice. It has a little pattern. I don't know how well my camera's picking that up, but it has a little stitched pattern on the back. Feels good on the side. You get those little orange slits for drop protection. So now I'm going to pick up my iPhone 13 Pro Max, drop it in like so. As you can see here, fits like a glove. So now I'm going to give you a walk around the case. So at the top here, you do have nothing but feet for corner drop protection. On this side, you do get access to your volume up and down button. I believe they're Clicky. No, to your power button, my bad. I'm so used to using Android devices, but you get access to your power button. Nice and clicky buttons. Then down here, you get access for a lanyard. Then down here, you get your ports, your cutouts. You get your speaker cutouts, your USB charging cutout, type C cutout. Then on this side, you just get access for your volume up and down button. I know they're a little tougher to push in, but they're still nice. Then you get a good cutout for your alert slider. As you can see, you do get some nice lip protection on there. So if you drop your phone flat on the table, you should be good to go. It also says Armadillo Tech R series, and you get that edge feet drop protection. I call those little feet because they kind of stick out. So if your phone falls on the corner, you're good to go. But like I said, you do get a good lip with this case. It feels good in my hand. The pattern on the back is very, very, very nice, smooth, feels good. It says Caseborne at the bottom here. You get a nice deep cutout for your camera, and I believe this does have wireless charging. So this has been the Armadillo Tech iPhone 13 Pro Max R series case. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.